Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a after match reaction of Manchester United versus Brighton. Manchester United 3, Brighton 2. So before starting about the match reaction, I want to give a message to Neil Mope. So let's get started. Neil Mope, अभी रहो ना साले सुन. आर्सेनल की कांड में कर उंगली, बट मैनचेस्टर यूनाइटेड को कभी साले हल्के में मत लेना, समझा. अगली बार रोना साले मुंह पे. मैनचेस्टर यूनाइटेड डिफेंस, हैरी एंड विक्टर लिंडलॉफ. ओ माय गॉड, आई डोंट नो Ole Gunnar Solskjaer, does he even watch United play the Crystal Palace game? I don't think so. He just watched that game actually. If actually he has watched, then I don't think he would have selected Victor Lindelof here. He needs to go back and see that match clearly, that Crystal Palace game, how he defended. That partnership of Harry and Victor, it doesn't work here. Any good manager would clearly see that partnership is not working. I think he thinks that partnership, in his eyes, Harry and Victor Lindelof are like Vidic and Rio here. You can have as much as you want here, but when there are players like Eric and Mengi on the bench, you need to give them a chance. So the defense is like shambles today. Again, the same problem. I don't know when we're gonna play like a big club. Aaron Wan-Bissaka, the Spider-Man of Manchester United. Venom has taken over Spider-Man, and Spider-Man is turning into a evil here. Aaron Wan-Bissaka, I don't know what is happening to him here. He needs a dropping here. If I was Ole Gunnar Solskjaer, the next game I drop him and I play Brandon Williams over him on the right hand side, because he needs a dropping. He needs to up his game. If he plays like this, he's gonna cost us many more points. We are winning very crucial second season of Ole Gunnar Solskjaer. If I was Ole Gunnar Solskjaer, I don't risk it. I want him to up his game, but he needs a dropping. So let's see if he can up his game. The midfield trio of Paul Pogba, Bruno Fernandes, and Matic. I don't know why Ole Gunnar Solskjaer is risking Premier League points over match sharpness and match performance, or lack of match sharpness or lack of match performance with Paul Pogba. If Paul Pogba is not fit to play the full 90 minutes, he needs to drop him. There is a player named Van de Beek, Donny Van de Beek, who is ready or wants to play. He needs to give him a start. He needs to start so that Paul Pogba can at least have in rest and get back to his best, and then can be introduced in the later games of this Premier League. If I was a manager, I don't risk Premier League points for a particular player's fitness. So Bruno Fernandes, I don't give an F if someone says he just scores penalties. Fernandes, Penchesters. Scoring penalties is the important part of any game, and when it's a crucial moment, you can see at the end of the game, basically the last kick of the game, there was pressure on that penalty. If he misses that penalty, United lose crucial 2 points. So anyone can say anything, but scoring penalties when it matters in a crucial moment of time is an art and talent. Matic, today again he showed why we missed him in Crystal Palace game. He was like the defensive wall that can save terrorism between India and Pakistan. He protected that defense lines absolutely fantastic. His work was today top notch. 8 on 10 type performance for me. He was superb. Marcus Rashford. This is the second consecutive game where he has scored. So two goals in two games. So another game where he has built up on his performance. I'm hoping for more goals this season, and if he can do what he did today, but I'm like thrilled for this season. I hope he lives up to the expectation that we all United fans are looking for. Ole Gunnar Solskjaer, he should have brought Donny van de Beek for Paul Pogba much earlier in the second half. He should have not selected Lindelof in this particular game. He should have made more changes at the start of the second half. He clearly needs help. He needs help from owners, Glazers, and Ed Woodward. He wants signings. He needs signings. I hope by the end of this transfer window we can have one or two signings, preferably a left back, a right wing, and if fingers crossed we can have a defender, that will be like fantastic. But he needs players so he can freshen up that first 11, which I today I felt like was not up to the levels in terms of the performance previously shown. Thank you for watching. That's it for this match reaction video. See you next time.